Hello all the food lovers, I am Kanak and you're watching Ready Steady Eat again. Today I am going to show you how to make rich, yummy, smooth and silky chocolate cheesecake. It is not a normal cheesecake. Today I am going to show you this cake with Oreo cookie crust. And for the topping, just make sure you watch till the end. First thing, you have to line up the springform cake tin with cling wrap so that it comes out easily later. Do it nicely with the help of your hands and then layer it with a tin liner and keep aside. Now combine the crushed Oreo cookies and melted butter. Mix well nicely with the help of your hands so that all the butter is properly incorporated with the cookies. Now press the crumbs evenly over the bottom of the cake tin evenly to form a base of the cake. Press nicely with the help of your hands so that it becomes firm enough. Now once it is done, now you can refrigerate it to make it firm enough while you are making your filling. Now for the filling, melt the chocolate and the butter together in a bowl and microwave for a minute. Now when you see it's melted enough, turn it with a spoon and then keep aside. Now in a hand mixer or a food processor, whichever you have, beat the cream cheese on a medium-low speed until it's smooth enough. Now gradually beat in the sugar nicely so that it's properly incorporated with the cheese mix. Now is the time to add the melted chocolate and beat until fully incorporated. Now scrape down the sides as needed. Now add the vanilla extract and beat it thoroughly. Meanwhile, take the boiling water, put some china grass in it and with the help of the fork, mix it thoroughly until all the china grass is properly dissolved in the boiling water. Once the china grass is properly melted in the boiling water, now add it with the remaining mix and again mix the blender thoroughly so that all the things are properly incorporated with each other. Now remove the crust from the refrigerator and pour in the filling, flattening with the help of the spatula. Now a cheesecake is ready. Now place the cheesecake in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours or until it is set or firm enough. Now my creamy chocolate cheesecake is ready. Now I'm going to top it with some white chocolate and cherries. Lovely chocolate cheesecake is ready to eat now. I just can't wait to eat it. I have garnished it with some white chocolate, some cherries. You can do with any of your choice. If you want, you can sprinkle cocoa powder. If you want, you can also dust it with some powdered sugar. It all depends on your choice and about your flavor. Let me try and see how is it. I'm telling you, this is the most sinfully delicious chocolate cake I've ever come across through. It's really amazing. This one you have to surely try. This is perfect after any kind of dinner. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. And if you really enjoyed watching me, do like the video and subscribe to the channel Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.